The microbiome of the human body, which refers to the trillions of microorganisms that reside in and on our bodies, can have various effects on our health and well-being. Here are some key effects. 1. Digestion and nutrient absorption. The microbiome plays a crucial role in breaking down complex carbohydrates, fiber, and other substances that our bodies cannot digest on their own. 1. It helps in extracting essential nutrients and vitamins from our food. 1. Immune system development and function. The microbiome interacts with the immune system and helps in its development and regulation. 1. It plays a role in training the immune system to differentiate between harmless and harmful substances, preventing inappropriate immune responses and autoimmune disorders. 1. Metabolism and weight regulation. Studies suggest that the composition of the microbiome may influence metabolism and weight regulation. 1. Certain types of gut bacteria have been associated with a higher likelihood of obesity, while others may promote a healthier weight. 1. Mental health. There is emerging evidence linking the gut microbiome to mental health conditions such as anxiety, depression, and stress. 1. The microbiome can produce neurotransmitters and other molecules that can influence brain function and mood. 1. Disease prevention. A healthy microbiome can help protect against pathogens by competing for resources and producing antimicrobial substances. 1. It has been associated with reduced risk of conditions such as inflammatory bowel disease, allergies, and certain types of cancer. 1. Skin health. The microbiome on our skin plays a role in maintaining its health and protecting against pathogens. 1. Imbalances in the skin microbiome can contribute to conditions such as acne, eczema, and dermatitis. It's important to note that the microbiome is complex and research in this field is ongoing. While the effects mentioned above have been observed, further research is needed to fully understand the extent and mechanisms of these effects. The microbiome of a human is regulated by several factors, including 1. Host genetics. The genetic makeup of an individual can influence the composition and function of their microbiome. 1. Certain genetic variations may affect the abundance of specific microbial species or their ability to interact with the host. 1. Diet. The food we consume plays a significant role in shaping the microbiome. 1. Different types of nutrients can promote the growth of specific microbial populations, while others may inhibit their growth. 1. A diverse and balanced diet that includes fiber-rich foods can support a healthy and diverse microbiome. 1. Environment. Environmental factors such as geographical location, climate, and exposure to pollutants can influence the composition of the microbiome. 1. For example, individuals living in urban areas may have a different microbiome compared to those in rural areas. 1. Antibiotics and medications. The use of antibiotics and certain medications can disrupt the balance of the microbiome by killing beneficial bacteria or altering their composition. 1. It is important to use antibiotics judiciously and only when necessary to minimize these effects. 1. Hygiene practices. Personal hygiene habits, including bathing, hand washing, and the use of antimicrobial products, can impact the diversity and stability of the microbiome. 1. Excessive use of antimicrobial agents may disrupt the microbial communities and potentially lead to dysbiosis. 1. Age. The microbiome undergoes dynamic changes throughout life. 1. Infants have a relatively simple microbiome that becomes more diverse and stable as they grow. 1. In older adults, the microbiome may undergo shifts due to age-related factors and changes in lifestyle. 1. Stress and lifestyle. Chronic stress, lack of sleep, and unhealthy lifestyle choices such as smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can affect the microbiome. 1. These factors may contribute to an imbalance in microbial populations and have implications for overall health. 1. The way baby born either by natural way or cesarean also causes variation in microbiome. 1. Those baby born through natural way has more diverse microbiome and affects health lifetime. It's important to note that while these factors influence the microbiome, the specific mechanisms and interactions between the host and microorganisms are still being actively researched.